Ridaex Shield, a premium built screen guard to protect LED televisions. When these screen guards are shipped to the customers, we have seen a sharp rise in logistical damages very recently. But logistic companies are never ready to take the responsibilities to control the damages. So at Ridaex, we did a small research and realized that most of the damages have occurred in the corners of the screen guard, and this is due to mishandling of the packages. Nonetheless, we came up with an idea to fasten the corners with foam beds. The foam beds act as shock absorbers and decrease the tension that applies over the cotton packaging. Let's see how it works. With this packing technique, we were able to reduce close to 93% of logistical damages and bringing more smiles in the faces of our customers.